Hello, I'm Nick and Camera Advisor. Today we are talking about Nano Snore reviews. You should know about it. Nano Snore reviews. Stay connected with this video to know this. What about Smart-Nora, a startup focusing the sleep and mental wellness? The device Nora is based in Toronto, Canada. The company offers snoring solution in her phase of Smart-Nora, which firstly introduced by an event. The device is known to help one to quiet snoring before you disturb yourself or your partner. The device enables the throat muscles to stop the snoring by taking in use the air pressure to lower the pillow and elevate slightly. So the smart device might be an excellent option for people who wish to reduce distribute during the sleep caused by snoring but don't want to wear a gadget to bed. Do comment your thought about this. Please like this video, and if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon.